Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a subtle look. So guys, if this is your first time here on my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, do not forget to like this post, and do not forget to share and comment on this post. So guys, right now I just went over my face with a moisturizer, and then I patted that in before going in with my sweat block, and then I'm going to apply my primer. I wait for each one of them to like dry out before applying the next. So guys, after this I'll be going in with my foundation. So guys, I'm so sorry, but I had to use like a really light shade of foundation. Please, I am literally begging you right now, do not try this at home. Don't. I ran out of foundation and I had no choice but to do this, but don't ever try this at home except your blending game is like really top notch, and I don't know, but please, I would advise that you do not do this. Always use a foundation that matches with your skin color. But yeah, I'm just going to apply this over my face, blending my foundation and my concealer, and then go over with my baking powder to bake my face. So guys, now I went ahead to draw my brows. I actually have a detailed brow tutorial, so I'll probably drop the link probably in the description box. And now I'm going to be priming my eyes with this eyeshadow primer from Flawless Ivy. I'm priming my eyes just to make my eyeshadow pop a little bit, and also to create a base for my eyeshadow to lie on. So remember guys, this is a subtle look, so for me, I'm trying to not like put all the focus on my eyes. I'm just going to leave all the attention and all the extraness for my lips. So I'm just going in with this simple yellow eyeshadow, and then I'm going to wear these natural looking lashes from Flawless Ivy. Also guys, please, you can check them out. They have like really amazing products. They have really an affordable makeup products. So guys, now I'm just going to set my face with my powder and then apply a lighter just to make my face pop, and then I'm going to set all of that powder using a setting spray. So now guys, I'm going in with these three lipsticks. The black lipstick is from MAC Cosmetics, and the wine lipstick is from Huda Beauty. So I'm just going to line my lips with the black lipstick, and then I'm going to go over it with the wine lipstick, and then just blend all of that out. So guys, to create an ombre look, I'm just going to apply this sharp red at the center of my lips and then blend it out perfectly. So guys, here's the final look. I am totally amazed and in love with this look. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to share this post if you find it worthy, and do not forget to leave a comment just to make this look even more perfect, I'm going to be going over it using a lip gloss. I'm going to be applying a lip gloss just to give it that perfect finish. So guys, yes, again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done that. That is like super important to me. Please subscribe to my channel, please like this post, and also leave a comment. I'll be reading. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.